Hi, how are you? How do you greet yourself that you are a user of the RecMin program, and then I bring you a new piece of news that it is a new update of the RecMin program that added the Dr. Cesar Castanyon Fernandez in March of 2018, and it's about looking most recent update so automatic from the RecMin program. Remember that I previously taught you at the time install the RecMin program that when you want to update you had to come to the website, you had to come here to betas downloads, module updates and verify if the versions were the recent ones and doing all that. No. For example, here we will see betas versions and you would have to download one by one and see if it was the last version that had to download, right? But now he's going to do it automatically. But to have that option, what do you have? What to do for the last time is to come here just to the RecMin website. You go to beta versions and downloads versions beta that you have here, unzip them. And you go to the programmer to disk C where the RecMin free program is installed, and here you simply replace these old, okay? From there it would be more easy to do what I'm showing you now, okay? In my case already I updated. I'm just going to start the RecMin program. You go here to this sign that is here. It's a question mark and you go to the option that says look for updates. Okay. Then here you get a window. And it tells you what version you have installed. It tells you that you have installed, for example, in my case version 5.33, when as a version released already exists 5.34 and also shows you the beta versions that you have at the moment, right? So what is the difference between released version and beta version? Released version is one that assumes that he no longer has errors and that is completely revised and that is authorized to be used. Beta's versions can also be used but they are trial versions. What is good is that the versions beta have the latest improvements, the latest algorithms, the latest news, but the disadvantage is that it is still under review. It means that it can contain mistakes. Then what I recommend that if you are already an advanced user of RecMin and you want use beta versions, use them. And so it helps us detect errors, and if it is that you detect an error you inform us to our emails. Here is my email below or write to the webmail of RecMin or the Dr. Cesar Castanyon Fernandez so that he corrects that error until there is no longer a complaint of errors, since it already means that the version is now ready, free of errors. Then it could happen to be placed. Here is a released version. In this case, for example, I'm going to install these two from here, but it appears no click here. I'm looking for versions. In my case they appear these two and I will install, for example, or I'm going to download RMYAC. It's finished. Then I'll download the other one and I'll to open the folder where they were downloaded. Here are the two. Simply you select them, you unpath them, okay? There they are. Then you simply go to copy, okay? Or you're going to cut them out of here. See that they are saved in a name folder temporary. Return here to the free folder and you simply replace, okay? You replace, but look for replace here. I get a message that he tells me that I have to close the program RecMin. Then we close this and again we retry and you see, okay? Ready. Now if my program is updated, here it appears the date and you can start to use of RecMin with the new versions. If in some case time there are some errors that do not allow you to continue advancing in your work, as you can write us to send you the version old so you can continue. For example, what I do before do this update, I keep in a folder apart the old versions before replacing the new ones, just in case the newer the versions betas contain errors that do not allow you to simply move. I go to the old ones, I copy and replace, and I'm still working or I'm continuing with my work until the beta this run. But yes, if I detect an error tries to inform the mail from the RecMin website that such version has an error in such a part, send with image capture and all that, and in what moment you get the error, okay? Well, I wanted to record this video. I hope that serves you and see you in the next video. Nani Ruiz as graded you. Remember that if you want to know about my work, about my courses, enter the SoMin website www.somin.com. There you will find information about courses, or even on the RecMin page, you will also find information from courses. You can also follow us in social networks. Look for us like RecMin and there you will find us, okay? Ready, a hug, see you.